The time has come.
Tom and Jerry built their ramp. It's time to take it out to sea.
You guys see it? It's in the water. We officially know now that it floats. We're ready to lube this thing up and get to ripping.
I'm ready to go big.
You follow the bed? We got the 650 jammer ready to rip. We're gonna test this thing out. It's looking like an episode of Built to Shred.
I think we're about to hump jump.
Hump Jump coming to you live this Wednesday. Double camel backed up.
Yeah.
The thing looks insane in the water. Put it in, put it in the comments. Do you boys think that this is gonna be a win? Or is this gonna be an L?
Well,
No L's.
let's grab the jammer, do a little test rip, a slow moving test rip. If it's seeming a little wonky, let's make a couple changes. We have the time. The sun's up till 10. We have the reinforcements in the driveway, and let's rock this thing. We're officially here with the Kirkland Ultrasun.
Just
Okay.
soap it up.
Okay. Make that 650 Nasty Hog slide a little better, I reckon. Let's pull it up.
Yeah, boys. This is the car wash. Sold.outco. This is sold.outco, boys. Slip inside. Yeah.
It might be good.
Yeah, the whole bottle, dude.
It smells great out here.
It's been a long time coming for this ramp. So long that the plastic is ripped. Looks like a tornado came through here and built the perfect green turf ramp for me. I'm a little nervous, a little scared. If you're not scared, at least once a day, you're not living. So let's get out there on my seahorse and see what I got. Shut it off, let's launch it. On the first rip, I'm just going for a smooth little coast over and we'll see what we got. Cause I don't want to mess anything up on the first rip. Okay, let's go. Let's see what he's got.
I'm about to get on the old safety rig.
All right, let me go make sure the old nasty hog's nasty hoggy.
Hey, don't pull the throttle.
That thing looks crazy, bro. Oh, my rig's still running, dude. Dude, shut my rig off! Are you serious? My safety harness came off, bro! Oh my god! My nose died so hard.
I'm thinking the ramp kind of blew out, dude. But you know what? It's still standing, so it's a win.
I think you need to pin it on the landing.
It looks like I need some new wood up front.
Yeah, no damage.
But the foam's popping.
The front hit pretty hard.
I think the only thing you need to do is put that thing around your wrist, buddy.
It was. It flew off. I shit you not, dude. It just came off. Is there a better way to do this? My hands are soaked up. Should I put it on the wrist again?
Up the arm, like on the shoulder.
Oh, man. My arms are massive. They don't really fit, you know? Dude, my rig was almost total. Here we go, take 2.
Oh my god!
Yeah! The ramp is out here performing. I can't even believe it. This shit's insane.
Holy shit, take 3, boys.
All I want is a metal ramp, dude. Where'd it come in at, you think?
The hood. Did you see?
Oh yeah, there's no front hood seal
Did
right
you
here.
see how far deep you were in?
How are the materials? Did it slide good?
Slide's good. Everything's good. It's just
That transition
we built a
coming.
water roller.
You didn't hit it full throttle though. You checked up.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You should.
I didn't try and gap it.
When you go back into the water, it's so funny looking, bro. The transition's just chopped.
Dude, can we get some like comments from jammer experts out there? What do we gotta do? We gotta run 2 bilge pumps in this thing and a new hood seal? I'm confused.
Well, it's looking like it. The proof's in the pudding.
We almost just sank this thing. And we got a new build set up in the front. I'm confused.
How would you rate your ramp, 1 to 10?
Yeah, it's pretty badass. Like I'm stoked it floats. I'm ready to make some revisions already. I just like airtime, dude. It's kind of like more of like a little coaster with the boys. Are we?
The results of Darrick fully subbing the jammer. Pop showed up. He's ready to see a ramp send.
Yeah, I came to see some air, not no rainbow time.
Are you good, bro?
I'm good, but that was pretty aggressive.
Oh my God. I thought Buddy was dead.
Hunter, come tow me and I have the worst dead leg.
Darrick literally just did a Superman on the jammer. That was insane. Bro, I thought you were done for. That was almost not funny.
Oh my God, dude, are you okay?
Dude, you did a full-blown Superman.
Bars, bro.
Holy shit, you did snap the bars.
That's why I lost control. My bars buckled off the list. Red Bull straight rhythm, plug in the video.
125. We've seen it. Oh! Oh my goodness!
I thought you were gonna let go. What?
I couldn't, dude. My legs were behind me. I would have landed on the ski.
Bro, I hate to be that guy, but I told you jumping it was not a good idea.
You did, dude. I gotta sit in the water. My legs hurt so.
Your leg's already red. Dude.
How are our bars looking, dude? How's our setup?
Dude, are you alright?
Legs cooked.
Dude, let's see the damage.
My legs cooked and the bars are cooked.
Oh my God.
no.
Oh, our whole setup's gone.
No.
Look at the pole.
You think? No, it's still good, I think.
No, it's cracked. There you go.
That's that new sold out bend. Not the Carmichael bend, but the Tusk sold out bend.
Look at the crossbar.
Awesome, boys.
Look at the crossbar.
Oh my God. Wow.
Buddy went for a ride. Need grip tape on the side of the seat or something.
Look, you made these bars go from this to this.
Alright, Skeeter, you're up next.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can hit it.
Good luck.
Am I gonna hit it on what?
Rainbow ride it.
Yeah, you can go rainbow ride it, but I don't suggest the high air octane. It's not built to jump, bro. We built
All
it,
right.
we just go over it.
This ramp was built to roll over. I'm gonna go give it a roll over.
Yeah.
Darrick's always our guy to just send it a little too hard. Glad bro is alright, because that was bad, dude.
Work's gonna be rough tomorrow. my leg's gonna be torched tomorrow. I walked like 9 miles at work today.
Tell him to hit the subscribe button so you don't have to go to work tomorrow.
Subscribe. Maybe I won't have to go to work.
That's a tough act to follow, but I'm gonna just go give it a nice rollover.
Give it a nice knack, because he got the Superman.
I think I'm just gonna ride over it. Just straight, you know.
Oh, it's still going kind of fast. Oh, wow. Hopefully he doesn't go too fast now. We don't need a second take. Oh, it looks like it's not. Oh my god!
How was that?
It's really abrupt. You just hit that thing. Hey, Skeet. Honestly, bro, let's tow the ramp in and call it a day.
I'm kind of spooked after your event.
Let's get some turns in.
What is this? This is metal here, right here, boys. This is a metal crossbar. I think Buddy's nutsack hit that thing so hard it bent in. Hey, Buddy, how's your nutsack?
Nutsack's fine. My leg's torched.
Rolling up to the ramp after Darrick, Superman, I was a little spooked out. Kind of was throwing me off a little, and then I blew my hand off, and I figured that that was just, it's time to call it a day. This ramp is dangerous. It's the most abrupt thing. When you hit that thing, it's boom!
And I mean, the turf has nothing to do with that.
The transition has nothing to do with it. But you know what, boys? This is a great ramp. We built this thing with 0 measurements, not a tape measure in sight, and it held together even after Darrick hit it going 30 miles an hour. So
It held together. The tranny might not be correct. The angles are probably off, and I'm surprised the screws are holding.
that's a W for the day. The ramp is a W. So if you put that,
L. Not gonna lie, I don't know if I'm a pussy when it comes to pain or what, but dude, I got the shivers. Not doing good. Got the ice on the leg already. I'm ready to go home.
we gotta get the ramp out first.
I'm ready to go home. John B, let that thing fly to sea, dude. I'm ready to go home. Me and my steed. Just living a dream. My leg feels torqued. It's not too bad yet, though. It's torqued.
It's on the inside.
Buddy roached out our best jam. I have steering problems.
It still runs scary, though.
Still good. Oh, we're gonna get the ramp out, boys.
Honestly, we're gonna have to go to Harbor Freight one of these days, invest in a winch that attaches to that pole right there, and that way, well, I don't know if anyone knows, but we've had about 25 things break down on this beach with no way to get them in.
Yeah, as you can see, this is where things go to die.
Cameron.
Move it all.
No, not an inch.
Really?
No.
Damn, I thought this big bore 177 would pull it.
I didn't. Holy this thing's so in there now.
That's a wrap on today's video, you guys. Absolute banger. Don't know how the ramp stayed together as well as it did, honestly. It's impressive because this ramp was very makeshift. But Darrick really showed us that it was here for a good time. I don't know if Darrick's walking away thinking he's got a good time from today, but you know what? This is a success. So, if you guys want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, leave us a like, leave us a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
And don't forget, it's Tuesday, and I'm going back to work tomorrow. A little banged up.
So hit the subscribe button, dude. Hit the subscribe button so we can hit some more ramps. And buy a damn ramp that's already built and maybe metal. That would be unreal.
Metal for sure.
That's a pipe dream.
Yeah,
Right now?
pipe dream.
Right now we're in the... This isn't even a budget ramp. It's a rich man's ramp from Home Depot. Fresh Park. You just get at us already, bro. We need a fully custom sold.outco specialty floating ramp from OC Ramps, Keen Ramps. Somebody hit us with it. Travis Pastrana, you gotta have an old big wheel ramp laying around. We're ready for it. We'll come to Maryland, hit it in the pond.
TP199, I don't know if you know, but that Superman was inspired by you. I know you see the camera shaking a little bit. I'm a little cold. Ready to go home. TP199. See you soon. Jetstar on the back. Deuces.